I used to think all burgers were the same, until I tried this one. Surprisingly, I was completely wrong about burgers. This video will help you avoid misunderstandings and choose the right burger from the start. 1. Chicken burger. Let's start with something lighter. A chicken burger replaces beef with chicken, either grilled or fried. Fried chicken burgers are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, while grilled versions are lighter and feel healthier because chicken has a milder flavor. It pairs well with many types of sauces. That's why this burger is extremely flexible and very popular. 2. Cheeseburger. Now we add something simple, but powerful. Cheese. A cheeseburger is just a hamburger with melted cheese on top of the patty. But that one layer adds richness, adds creaminess, and makes the whole burger more satisfying. It's one of the most iconic fast food items in the world. 3. Classic hamburger. This is where it all started. The hamburger was popularized in the United States, inspired by minced beef dishes from Europe. At its core, it's very simple: a bun, a beef patty, vegetables, and sauce. What makes it special is balance. Nothing too much, nothing too heavy, just clean, classic flavor. 4. Double and smash burger. Now we go bigger and bolder. A double burger uses 2 patties, which means more meat and more flavor. But the real trend today is the smash burger. The meat is pressed onto a hot surface, creating a crispy crust on the outside while staying juicy inside. That contrast is what makes it addictive. 5. Veggie burger. Now we move away from meat. Veggie burgers are made from plant-based ingredients, like beans, mushrooms, or meat alternatives. They're designed for vegetarians or anyone looking for a healthier option. The texture is different, but modern versions are getting closer to real meat. This is one of the fastest growing trends in food today. 6. Gourmet burger. This is where burgers become something more. Gourmet burgers focus on quality and creativity. Instead of regular beef, you might get Wagyu. Instead of simple buns, artisan bread, and toppings like truffle, caramelized onions, or special sauces. These burgers are more refined and often found in restaurants. 7. Sliders. Now let's go smaller. Sliders are mini burgers, usually served in sets. They're easy to eat, easy to share, and perfect for parties. Because they're small, you can try different flavors in one meal. 8. Regional and fusion burgers. Finally, we have burgers, influenced by culture around the world. Different regions create their own versions. In Japan, you might find teriyaki burgers. In Korea, spicy kimchi burgers. In Vietnam, banh mi-inspired burgers. These combine local flavors with the classic burger idea, and that's what makes burgers so interesting. So what's the takeaway? A burger is more than just bread and meat. It's a flexible concept that changes with culture, ingredients, and creativity. As for me, I'd choose a smash burger. That crispy edge and juicy center is hard to beat. What about you? Which burger is your favorite? Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Food Insign for more simple and interesting food breakdowns. See you in the next video.